to buy genuine, real, certified cables, or to get the fake, cheap Amazon, eBay cables? Let's talk about it. Thank you for clicking on the video, guys. Let's get into this. So guys, should you spend the extra bucks to get the original cable, or should you save a lot of bucks and get the cheaper alternative? The simple answer to this is, how many times do you want to be struggling and be repurchasing fake cables throughout the years? Simple as that. Now, I know it seems like I'm being a little biased, but it's just the reality of it. And I can tell you from personal experience, because I used to be the person that would always be buying the cheap alternatives on eBay. I would get like 6 cables for like something crazy, like $10. Now, I would go through them like every month. Like, I would use one and it would fry up, and then I would need another one. Not to mention, I was having issues with Apple, the iPhone. It was telling me, hey, this is not a genuine product. It's not, you shouldn't be using it, and it wouldn't let me charge. So not only was I having issues with that, I was also having issues with the fact that it was slow to charge it. It took forever, and then they would burn out. Now, if you do the math, and if you look at 1 year, I spent more money on fake products than if I would have just bought the original from Apple in the beginning. That's pretty sad. Not only did I spend more, I struggled more, and I had more headaches, and I had to wait more for the stuff to come in. So my recommendation is always buy genuine products. Not only do they also have warranty, I think they have like a year warranty. If the cable goes bad, you can take it to Apple. It's sick, they like replace it for you, but you're not going to be struggling. And I know sometimes it's like, why am I paying $20 for a cable that it costs like $1 to make? I know, I get it, I've been there, but it's going to make your life so much easier. So guys, go ahead, get your MacBook chargers genuine, everything, try to make it genuine. I know it's a little bit costly, but in the long run, it's totally worth it, and it'll save you a headache. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up, helps the channel out, and go ahead and subscribe. There's also a bell down there. Go ahead and click on that. It'll let you know when I upload a video, kind of like a text, and you'll be on the lookout ASAP. You'll be the first one, and then you'll comment first in the comment section down below, and I'll be like, yeah, nah, I'll give you a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'm rambling. Peace. So, a lot of times, long on, but God, I need to stop that.